taking a closer look here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got going on here and what's the plan. This thing's taking a beating. And plus, I think that I didn't go thick enough with this angle. But that's cool, because I got more angle. It's a little thicker, and I'm going to test it out, and if I have to, I'll double up. This is just sitting up here to hold that down right now. The plan is to disconnect all this stuff, and I'm simply just going to get a new piece that's one solid, long, straight piece, and just hook it up. And I'm going to change the wheelbase slightly, maybe like a 3/4 inches or so. Gonna disconnect all this stuff. I think I'm gonna mount the ESC here because I got some more electronics going here. Because as you can see, I got some actuators here instead of shocks that raises this up and down. So the plan is to have that go up and down, and then have the bed that's up here slide back with a ramp, sort of, and then have this at the top of it to pull up vehicles and whatnot. So that's the plan. Let's see if it goes that way. So before we get this thing torn down, it's gonna disconnect anything that's connected, and all right, let's get this thing chopped up. Alright, got the rear completely disassembled. Let's move on to the front. One last look. This is the old chassis. What we had going on here is clearly not up to code. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of that angle to redo this thing. Much better this time. This thing is taking a beating, and I'm gonna extend it about 3/4 inch. I think the new wheelbase will be about 28 inches center for the wheelbase. Here's another quick look what we got separated here. Yep, so there we have it. Everything apart, ready to go, move forward. Time to start ordering stuff. Until next time, peace.